Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Audi Q5 cabin filter. Start by parking on level ground, switch off the engine, and set the parking brake. Open the glove box and remove contents to avoid spills. Disconnect the glove box stops to lower the box and access the filter housing. Inspect the housing cover for clips or screws, then remove them carefully, keeping track of all fasteners for reassembly. With the glove box lowered, find the rectangular filter housing and note the airflow arrows for correct reinstall orientation. Unclip or remove screws securing the housing cover and lift it away slowly to avoid dislodging dirt. Slide the old cabin filter out straight to prevent releasing trapped dust into the cabin. Take a moment to inspect the area and clean any loose debris with a soft brush or vacuum before inserting the new filter. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy car tips. Quick recommendation. I use the Oala water bottle to stay hydrated during long DIY sessions, and it keeps drinks cold all day. It fits cup holders and has a spill-proof spout so you can work without worry. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Align the new cabin filter so the airflow arrows match the housing direction and slide it in smoothly, avoiding folding or compressing the media. Replace the housing cover and secure all clips or screws firmly to prevent rattles. Raise and reconnect the glove box stops, then close and open the glove box to confirm smooth operation. Start the car and run the fan briefly to check airflow and enjoy fresher cabin air with reduced pollen and dust.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.